Number 9. We're given two equations. If x comma y is a solution to the system of equations above, and x is greater than 0, what is the value of x times y? So it gives us two equations and two unknowns. So I'm going to, since for the first equation, y is already isolated, so I'm going to use the first equation and substitute the value into the second one. So I'm going to rewrite 2y plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3. And I'm going to take this equation and substitute it in for our value of y. So I have 2 times x squared plus 6 equals 2x plus 3. 2 times x plus 3. Okay, now we have one equation and one unknown. So let's expand everything and solve the equation. 2x squared plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6. On both sides of the equation we have a 6 and a 6, so those can cancel, so we're left with 2x squared is equal to 2x. On both sides of the equation we have a 2, so we can divide both sides by 2. And now 2 and 2 cancel, so x squared equals x. And on both sides we have an x, so we can divide both sides by x. And we get x equals 1. So now we know that x equals 1. And we can use this value and plug it into our first equation, y equals x squared. And if x equals 1, y equals 1 squared, which just equals 1. So y equals 1 and x equals 1. Be very careful reading the question. It wants to know what's the value of x times y. And in this case, xy is equal to 1 times 1, which just equals 1, which means that A is our answer.